Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. I will be talking about LBRY. LBRY is a decentralized protocol that allows you to upload anything that you want and fully own your content. LBRY also makes it very easy for you to support content creators by donating LBC crypto and helping them get noticed by other viewers on LBRY. So currently it is also very easy to earn free LBC of the crypto LBRY credits, I guess. By following content creators, watching videos daily, watching 10 videos a day, a simple daily watch reward every 24 hours after watching one video, and many more. All you have to do is claim them in the rewards section, and when you support a video by donating LBC to it, it helps get the video on the trending page and boost the ability for the video or channel to get discovered. I don't know if it's just the trending page or what, but it helps it get out there more. So let me show you the app, or I guess the whole thing. You can also get it on mobile. I have it on my Android. I got it on the Play Store. Also got it on, just downloaded it on my computer. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let me go to this video. Let me pause it. Alright, so if I wanted to support, as you see, I have like almost 45 LBC. If I click support on this video, it will tell me down here, this will increase the overall bid amount for Let's Play Bitcoin Collector Spinners Attack sequel, which will boost its ability to be discovered while active. Basically what it's saying is while active means it supports it up until I withdraw it. So if you donate a certain amount and then I withdraw it myself, then it's no longer being supported to be boosted in views or like reaching more audience. So technically, for my videos to become more popular, I would not want to withdraw the LBC that you donated to me on my video. You can also just repost it, share it like normal. Now let me show you the rewards. As you see, I almost have 45 LBC and I've never paid for any. I mean, they're really cheap, but I've never paid for any. Let me go to the rewards section. X out of this. As you see, this up here is 10 views per day. You can only count. I'm already on, I guess, level 4. Once I get to 100 views, I can get 12 LBC. Here's the daily watch reward I was talking about. You get anywhere between 1 to 100. It's just randomized. I follow 14 creators, but once I get to 25, then I can get 6 more LBC. And then there's invites too. So if you use my referral, that'd be greatly appreciated for sure. I mean, it's a great way to help out my channel without costing any money to you yourself. It's free. Yeah, LBRY doesn't cost any money or anything. And then once you're signed up, you can also invite people and you can earn 15 LBC. This is also, if you follow me, it'd be very helpful for me. If you guys want to support this channel, just following me on LBRY too also really helps. LBRY is kind of my backup channel. I'm more focused on YouTube, as I know there's way more audience there. But LBRY is a really cool concept. I really like it. I'm always going to be uploading the same stuff on YouTube than as I do LBRY. Maybe in the future I might have LBRY specific content. They also give you the feature as a content creator. I mean, anyone can upload videos, but if you're a content creator and you like uploading videos, you can also have the option to get what was I going to say? Oh, the option to make your video cost LBC credits. So I can't just click on any video and have it, play if I go to my channel. So if I want to watch one of these videos, I can have it say in the middle like how much LBC it costs to pay for it and buy it and watch it. So yeah, I mean, it's really easy to get LBC credits as of right now. I don't know if they're going to change the earning rewards because there's a limited amount and stuff like that. So it's really cool. I recommend you guys checking it out. And so yeah, that's basically all I really have to tell you about LBRY. I've always had it in my description as a referral, so I thought, I should do a video and talk to you guys about it. And I really like it, and I upload videos on it, so I just want so you guys can be aware of that, so you aren't all confused and didn't know anything about it. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.